What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My wife's Warn Winch went out on her Outlander, so we're going to replace it with a Badlands 3,500 pound winch. Let's go. All right, guys, so a little backstory. I actually do have a full warranty on the Outlander. However, we bought the Outlander in another state, and the way these warranties work is you have to return the machine to the location, the dealer that you bought it from, so that you don't have a deductible. Our deductible is $100. The dealership is about 5 hours away, and so to make a 10-hour round trip to drop off a machine to get fixed, it makes no sense to me. Also, there's some dealers around here that I was gonna go through to get the Outlander fixed. The issue I have with that is at $100, plus you'd have to pay tax, plus have to drop it off and have it gone probably for at least a week. And a lot of the shops by me, I'm not going to name drop, are extremely slow. Spend less time getting it bolted in. So let's go ahead and get it bolted in. It mounted up just fine. Now we're running our connections. We're gonna check back with you in a second. So it looks like red up top left, blue here, and then the negative for the winch. We're gonna go ahead and put the old solenoid in, the CanAm solenoid. I have another solenoid, a backup. Now I have a backup to the backup. Let's get to it. Bro got the solenoid all wired up. Now it's cake work for him. He's the mechanically inclined one here, not me. All bolted down, Loctite, got the little rollers bolted in. We're gonna go ahead and run it out and then re-spool it. All right, bro, I appreciate it. Oh, he revving it out. There we go. I don't know if y'all saw him. All right, guys, I'd like to thank my bro Tank for stopping by, helping me out put this winch on. He actually did most of the work, but I definitely appreciate it. It was nice to have one of the bros just stop by and go ahead and get his hands dirty with me. So, and that's just another day hanging out with your boy.
Catch you on the next one. Peace.